This video guides you through checking and managing your past archived conversations inside the ChatGPT Codex desktop application. Archived chats are older threads you have tucked away to keep your main sidebar clean without completely deleting them. If you find this walkthrough helpful, please consider leaving a like to support the channel. To get started, head down to the bottom left corner of the window and click your user profile name. Select Settings from the pop-up menu to open your preferences. The Settings window opens with your personal general options displayed by default. Look at the menu sidebar on the left side of the screen where various configuration categories are listed. Scroll down that left sidebar until you locate the Archived section. Click Archive Chats to open the Chat Archive Management area. The main pane now displays your stored chat threads, organized by project folders, along with individual unarchive and delete options. You can also search through past threads, or filter them by project, using the controls at the top. To clear everything out at once, move up to the top right and click the red Delete All button. A confirmation box appears warning you that this action permanently removes all local archived chats. Confirm the removal by clicking the red Delete button in the modal. A temporary status notification confirms the successful deletion, and the view updates to show an empty state. When you are finished managing your archives, click the Back button at the top left to return to your workspace. That covers how to locate and clean up your archived chat history in Codex. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to subscribe so you do not miss future guides.